My friend Elaine asked me to make an outfit for her to wear on her birthday. And she loved prints, so I cut a pants using these prints. And these are the leftover scraps from the pants. And I'm thinking to make an upcycle t-shirt to go with her pants. I play around to see how I can use the scrap to do the design on a basic t-shirt. This is a basic shirt, and she liked the neckline to be a little higher and also and shorter sleeve, a 3/4 sleeve. So I will probably do some trim with patchwork and pockets. I just kind of play along with them. And then after deciding that and just sew it, and here is the new t-shirt. So my friend is a very happy person, very joyful person. I know she will be dancing while she's wearing this upcycle t-shirt with her happy pants, the print pants. So happy birthday, Elaine, and happy July to everyone. Love from JSong.